Hello guys, it's known that AI music generators are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the realm of musical expression. Today I'll talk about how to make royalty-free music by Mubert AI music generator from prompt. If you're passionate about AI music, don't forget to subscribe and share our AI Power-Up channel. Ready to compose like a pro? Let's hit those notes. Mubert is at the forefront of the AI music revolution, allowing users like us to generate unique music tracks based purely on text inputs. Whether you're a professional DJ or a casual music enthusiast, Mubert allows you easily produce excellent music in 3 steps. Step 1. Head over to Mubert's official website and sign up for an account. Tap Generate a Track now. Step 2. On the creation page, input the text prompt that you want to generate, like Chillwave Space Journey, set type and duration. Next. You can also choose the genres, moods, and activities. Step 3. Just hit Generate Track once you've set your parameters. Wait a few seconds. Your unique music track has been generated successfully. Let's listen to music now. I think it's perfect. And it's quite fascinating how each prompt brings a completely different sound, isn't it? Now that you've seen how easy and fun it is to create music with AI, why not try it out for yourself? Experiment with different prompts and see what kinds of unique tracks you can generate. I'd love to hear what you come up with, so please share your experiences and creations in the comments below. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you next time.